Okay, it's me and my friend MDF Shark. We're going to be showing you a new camping spot that I found on powerhouse. No way. Okay. So yeah.
Yes, there we go. Okay.
Infection.
Well, I think you're going to need sprint to get over there fast enough. So if you have a friend that's a zombie and he's a zombie, you're only gonna need two. But everybody's a not infected. You're gonna need three. Okay, I can use that. Alright, so basically you just push in there, jump on the side. You just on the other side here. Now, if you had 3 people, you'd have to have another guy jump on this side and get up here. Then you have that guy stand right here. Then you jump on up this thing. Then you jump on this lamp looking thing. Jump up here and you got this right here on this edge. And you're camping. MDF.
Like
Go down there by the rock.
What?
Sounds like. Can you jump up and get me? Just come. I know you can.
First strike.
Yep. So where's your camping spot? Rate, comment, and subscribe, and join our clan if you really want to. For the shout out, and I'll put a link to our clan video in the description. So,
Go to my channel too, MDF Shark 24.